Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, AI the Great, and today I'm coming at you with another great video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My content is fragrances, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Now let's get started. Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. But hold up, guys, did you peep my excitement in the thumbnail? Like, that excitement is real. Let me tell you why it's real. Because, okay, so let me rewind. So I asked you guys on Instagram and YouTube if you were interested in seeing a luxury haul. 100% of you said yes. And part of me was like, dang, because like I purchased the stuff, I came home and I'm ready to rip open my things and I'm like, let me just take a photo of it. And then I took the photo. I'm like, let me see if my peoples want to see what I got. So I couldn't open it. So literally everything is just the way that it is when I left the store, and I'm excited to open these pieces right now. But before we do that, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Make sure that the red subscribe button turns gray to ensure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Now let's get started with the video. Really quickly, guys, do you like this headband? I'm obsessed with this one. So let me tell you, the other day, Bay's like, so are you gonna have every headband on Amazon come to the house? Because I'm going headband crazy. Like, seriously, I'm in a headband like hell right now. Well, really heaven, because I'm loving them. This is so cute. I think I paid $20 for this. Whatever, it's gonna be linked in my Amazon store below, so just check it out. So let's dig into the goodies. All right, so let's start with this Chanel. But guys, hold up. Let me just let you guys know, this is why I love luxury shopping from the luxury houses. This one doesn't have the ribbon, but stuff like this. Do you see how cute this packaging is? Like, I'm such a sucker for beautiful packaging. So it looks like extravagant things in these bags, but really, I mean, they're accessories. They're extravagant to me because I absolutely love accessories. I can wear a Zara outfit or just jeans and a t-shirt and a heel or whatever on my feet and really cute accessories and feel very put together and feel like I can conquer the world. So let's start with this one right here. So I'm so excited to pull this open. I guess this is an unboxing, right? Yeah, this is like a haul slash unboxing. And I'm super excited because I haven't seen these things since I purchased them. Because I was waiting to do this video because you guys said that you wanted to see the haul. You guys are hilarious. Y'all were like, sis, why are you asking? Like, sis, don't ask. Just show us the stuff. Like, girl, you ain't got to ask no questions. I was like, okay. All right, now. So y'all gonna watch this video all the way through, right? So show me if it's real and watch it all the way through. So this is the first item here in this cute little Chanel box. It's so cute, guys. Love Chanel's packaging. So, and none of this stuff gets thrown away. It's a beautiful box. And then it comes like this in this beautiful velvet padded thingamajig, and then here's the tag. We'll put that to the side. So excited. And here they are. I got these earrings. Oh, they're so beautiful, guys. What do you think? I love them. They're so cute. Actually, let me put them up to my ear. We take this one off. This is my Louis earring. Just gonna put this on. Actually, no, I didn't clean it. Even though I always ask for one that's brand new. Like, my sales associates know me. Like, don't even call me if you don't have one in the back that no one's touched or looked at. I want that busting out the plastic. But still, I would still like to clean my earrings before I put them in my ear. But this is the earring, and this is how it looks. It's so long. It's so cute. Love this, guys. I might as well leave my earring off to show you the other item. Did I just give it away? Yeah, I think I just gave it away. But these are so gorgeous. So I'll show you again before I put this one away. They're beautiful. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Okay, so now let's bust into the next one. Again, Chanel's boxes, they're just, the packaging is amazing. See, I'm not a Chanel fragrance lover like that, but I love Chanel accessories. So this one's a little bigger, as you can see. So excited. And then it comes with this foam just there. And this one is in a little sleeve. So let's pull one out. Oh, they're so beautiful. I almost forgot what they look like. Love. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold this one up to my ear so you guys can see. Pretty classic for me, because I'm always wearing these CCs like this style. So let me put my earring back on. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this box here from Hermès. Guys, this Hermès orange, like, this is the best orange like in the world. This box is so beautiful. So, excuse my nails, guys. I haven't gotten them done yet. I'm actually gonna get them done tomorrow. So if you guys watch my vlog, you'll see that I purchased my first Hermès belt in November. So now I have another belt. It's also reversible. It's black on this side, and then this beautiful orange on this side, which I'm only gonna wear it on the orange side. And I already have my Hermès buckle. This is the color here. It's such a beautiful orange. So beautiful. So let me wrap her back up. And the buckle that I have is gold. I'm not really a silver accessory type of person. I mean, I do have a couple of silvers, but especially for a belt, like, there's a couple of silver belt buckles that I have, but for the most part, everything is gold. So this one came in this larger bag that probably can't fit in the frame. And this is the box. This packaging, guys, seriously, I know you're probably tired of me saying packaging, but I just love beautiful packaging. It's just a whole experience. I absolutely love it. So this is the beautiful box. And this is what I got. I got a scarf. Guys, I absolutely love scarves. How beautiful is this? It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now, this scarf with all these colors, this is going to go with so many things in my wardrobe. Look how pretty this is. This has orange, it has yellow, it has jade, it has purple. It's so beautiful. So this with the blazer just thrown around. With the blazer on top. Or if I wanted to do this number. You know, something like that. I mean, the possibilities are endless. This is gonna take me throughout the entire spring and summer. Summer nights when it gets a little cool. Guys, this is amazing. I'm so happy with this. It's so beautiful. So the next 2 items came in this little bag. And we have, oh, I have samples. Oh, let me show you these samples. These are fragrance samples actually. Look how beautiful. Like even the samples in this little box. I mean, it's really, this is Twilly. Like, this is Twilly. This is the original Twilly that I have. And then this is the Twilly that came out, I believe it was last year. Or no, the year before last. Yeah, so. Actually, no, they're both Twilly de Hermès. So this is just like, I just throw this in my purse when I wear a Twilly. But look how cute. They just put them in this little orange box. Everything in Hermès comes in these beautiful orange boxes, and I absolutely love it. This is Vanille Galante. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but this is the sample. This is a good size sample too. Let me see what this is smelling like. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. I'm glad I have this sample decant. I mean, I wouldn't buy a full bottle of this, but it is a pretty scent. So let's go into this box first. So cute. Such a cute little box. Okay. So, and it also comes with this velvet sleeve. And this is what I got. This is the Clac bracelet. I think the smaller one is a Clic and this is the Clac. I'm not sure, but I'll leave everything in the description box below. So I got the white one. It's so cute. So how you put this on, you just squeeze it. You squeeze it. You turn the H. And then it opens. And here she is. It's so cute, guys. I've always seen these and I've always wanted one, but I've just never, I was just, you know, and I've requested them as gifts and then changed my mind. Like, you know what, I don't need it, like whatever, because I don't like a lot of stuff on me. I have bracelets, like I have a ton of bracelets, but I don't really wear them because I don't really like too many things on me. But for some reason, I feel like I'm back into bracelets again. So this is one. So now let's go into the other box, which is the last box. Oh, this was fun, but now it's almost over. So let me just take my time and savor this one. So again, in a cute little box. And the velvet sleeve. Yes! Oh my goodness. So this is the Clic H bracelet. Right, yeah, I think. And this color orange is amazing. And you open it the same way. Twist, you close it together. Twist the H. So this is going to be great to stack. Even with like a Louis Vuitton bracelet in the middle. These are great stacking. Love these. Absolutely love these. So that's it, guys. Oh my goodness. Like I felt like I had more stuff, but thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want to see part 2 because there is a part 2. I wasn't really going to share the part 2. We'll see. I don't know. But let me know if you guys want to see the part 2. Leave it in the comments below because there's certain things that I don't want to share too much on my channel because some people will take it like you're bragging or like you're being boastful, and it's nothing like that at all. I just like nice things. It is what it is. So I mean, if you don't want to see stuff like that, then just let me know. If you do like to see luxury and accessories and handbags and shoes and things like that, and then let me know and we could possibly get that popping. But I just don't want no drama, because I've seen it on other people's channels where they're just showing like beautiful things that they've gotten either as gifts, or they work hard and they purchase their things and they're blessed and they're able to afford certain things, and people just come for them. And it's like, sis, like, I mean, sis. So let me know if you guys want to see the part 2 and we can get that popping. Remember to stay safe, be great, stay great, and always strive for greatness. AI the Great signing out, but I'll see you in my next video. Peace.